brought to you by Vigard.
Ellagaru Namaskara. I welcome all my media friends. Today we had a discussion on the Congress guarantees and how to carry the message forward with our block Congress committee presidents, our MLAs, our senior leaders of the party, district Congress committee and guarantee committee members. BJP and Janata Dal's DNA is anti-welfare of people. Mr. Kumaraswamy and Mr. Yedurappa and Mr. Vijayendra, they are jointly wanting to abolish the welfare-oriented guarantees of the Congress party. Sadly, the BJP state president other day
attacked Garibi Hatao. Also attacked the Congress welfare program of guarantees. He is doing so at the instance of Mr. Kumaraswamy. Both Mr. Kumaraswamy as also Mr. Vijayendra are repeatedly wanting the benefit of the state's budget to percolate down. They want that it should be stopped. The benefits that are percolating down. I want to ask Mr. Kumaraswamy today and Mr. Vijayendra, if by Greh Lakshmi 1 crore 25 lakh Kannadiga sisters and mothers are daughters, if one woman in every household is getting 2,000 rupees every month, why is Mr. Kumaraswamy and Mr. Vijayendra opposing it? Why do they want it to be abolished? They need to answer that. I want to ask Mr. Kumaraswamy and Mr. Vijayendra, if 200 units of current is being given for free to 1 crore 18 lakh households in Karnataka, why is Mr. Kumaraswamy and Vijayendra opposing it? I want to ask them, if in 9 months approximately, till yesterday evening, 195 crore free bus trips have happened for women of Karnataka under Shakti scheme. Over 5 crore free bus trips in Mandya alone. Why is Mr. Kumaraswamy opposed to women travelling for free in buses of State Roadways Transport Corporation? Why is Mr. Vijayendra opposing it? If Congress government is giving to 4 crore 49 lakh people in Karnataka, our brothers and sisters, money equivalent to 10 kgs of rice every month directly into their bank accounts, why is Kumaraswamy, why is Janata Dal, why is BJP opposing this welfare measure for the poor? If Congress government is giving 3,000 rupees for a period of 3 years to young people who are graduates so that they can find jobs as a stipend every month, and 1,500 rupees every month to a diploma holder, and about 1.5 lakh people have already, young children have already started getting it in the state, nearly 2,000 in Mandya alone, why is Kumaraswamy opposing it? This shows their anti-poor, anti-farmer, anti-SC, ST, OBC minority and anti-middle class and salaried class attitude. The guarantees are not founded upon caste or religion, as I told you last time when I had the good fortune to come and meet you in this very press club. The guarantees cut across caste and religion. They are for everybody. They are for every Kannadiga. Why is Kumaraswamy opposed to Kannadigas? Why is Vijayendra opposed to Kannadigas? Do they even understand that nearly 3 crore households, they get the benefit of 10,000 rupee every month in Karnataka now. About 1,20,000 every year. That's a question that they have to answer to voters of Mandya and voters of Karnataka. That's why I said the DNA of Janata Dal, DNA of BJP is anti-people, anti-farmer. I'm a farmer myself. We are no different than you. When farmers are today protesting around Delhi in a peaceful fashion, only asking for a guarantee law of MSP, BJP people are calling us terrorists, Naxalites, Khalistanis or ruffians. This is their attitude to the farming community. As against this, Congress government that will be formed at the center has come with 5 positive guarantees. Our first guarantee is Graha Lakshmi becomes Mahalakshmi. The next Congress government in center to be formed after 4th June with blessings of the people will pay 8,300 rupees into the bank account of every poor woman in India, including Karnataka, our Kannadiga sisters, mothers and daughters. There will be a double bonanza in Karnataka. 2,000 our Congress government will pay under Graha Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi 8,300. It will be 10,300 into the bank accounts of women every month. Second guarantee is guarantee of health, 25 lakh rupee free insurance cover for every family in Karnataka and in India. Will give a cashless card. The third guarantee is guarantee for the unemployed youth. Rahul Gandhi ji, Khadge ji, Sonia Gandhi ji, Dr. Manmohan Singh ji, they feel that youth has to be skilled. For skilling purposes, he or she does not have the money. The companies don't want to train unskilled people. So, we will pay 8,300 rupees in the bank account of unemployed youth in the country, 1 lakh rupee every year. That's the guarantee. And we will tell the companies, you don't have to pay any salary. We are paying 8,300 rupees. You train our children for 2 years so that they can stand on their own feet and shoulders. The next guarantee is the guarantee to Raita Bandhu. We did it earlier. Dr. Manmohan Singh's government did a complete loan waiver of farmers. Modi ji has waived 16 lakh crore of loan of industrialists and bank defaulters, but nothing for farmer. He says he doesn't have the money. It's the loan currently nationally is about 3.5 lakh crore estimated. Congress guarantees we will waive all the loans of farmers and enact in parliament a law on MSP guarantee.
Brought to you by Vigart.